Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be talking about spot turns. So the first thing I would like to say is that the usual thing that goes wrong during a spot turn is that when we go for that turn, that we start moving those feet around. Let's take it from the beginning and keep that in mind. Anytime we're going for that spot turn, we're going to take that step. We have a forward walk turning. So we're going to take a forward walk. Now from here, I've planted my feet into the ground. So my front foot, as you can see, is slightly turned out and it's flat onto the ground. And my back foot is on the ball of the foot. Now, from here, I do a forward walk turning. Like I said in the beginning, we want to keep those feet glued in their spot. So I always say glue your feet where they are. We are going to turn towards the back wall. So right now I have my right foot in front. I'm going to turn towards my left. As I'm turning, as you can see, I'm keeping those feet where they are. Now, what I would like for you to also do is think about the pivoting action in your front foot. When we pivot, I want you to make sure that we're pivoting up on our toe. We're not pivoting through our heel. So let's try that. Pick up your heel just a little bit, just for an exercise. Pick up that heel and turn. Just to make sure you're turning on your ball of the foot, not the heel. Okay? And then once you feel that and you understand it, you can leave that heel down on the ground and pivot on the toe. Okay? We're just going to practice this little moment right there. Pivot and come back. Pivot and come back. And again, make sure that you're pivoting on that toe, not on the heel. Yes, try that again. And toe and pivot and pivot. Good. Now, from here, we did our forward walk, ball of the foot, foot slightly turned out in the front. We pivot. As we're pivoting, so we just talked about the front foot, let's discuss about what this back foot does. So as I'm pivoting and I'm turning, my back foot is going to peel to the toe. So I start on the ball of the foot, and as I'm turning, that back foot is going to the toe. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm ball of the foot, I'm pivoting, and it's going to the toe. Okay, try it again, and to the toe. My knees stay straight the whole time as I turn or pivot throughout. Knees stay straight, okay? From here, I have most of my weight on my back foot. So I should be able, not most, but all of my weight on my back foot. So I'm able to pick up that front foot. Yeah, I have a little bit of pressure in that toe, but my weight is back on my right foot. From here, I'm going to shift my weight to my front foot and then pivot and collect the feet together. So again, when I take that step, I'm going to have another pivoting action here on my left foot. Pivot through the ball of the foot. Okay? Let's try the other side. So we're going to take that step. Another pivoting action here. So we pivot through that right foot now, and I'm going to step forward with that left foot. Front foot, slightly turned out, straight legs, ball of the foot in the back. We're just going to practice the pivoting action first, making sure that we're staying on that ball of the foot as we pivot. So staying on that ball of the foot, turn and come back. And like I said, as an exercise, you can slightly pick that heel up to make sure that you're turning on that ball of the foot. And come back and turn and come back and turn and come back and turn and come back. Now let's move our focus to the back foot. So we're on the ball of the foot and then it transitions into a toe as we are turning and we finish it. Ready? And this is a toe. So we go ball of the foot to the toe and ball of the foot into a toe. One last time. We're going back, we're in the ball of the foot, and we go to the toe. Okay? From here, weight is on my back foot. I'm on my, pointed my toe. Again, pressure can be in that front foot, but no weight there. Weight should be back here. And from here, we transfer our weight to our right foot, pivot with our right foot, collecting the feet together. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.